Come on!
Welcome, kids, welcome!
It's just awesome that you chose the University of North Dakota.
Oh, 62!
Hey, don't turn out to here.
I'm Jordan, I'm from Wisconsin and I'm a freshman here. Favorite part is just seeing all the organizations around the town and seeing that them and the campus, the UND, they go hand in hand. Just want to see what this is about. I visited a lot of local restaurants. They had a lot of good stuff to give away and also some nice information on what they offer. Do I just have to fill this out then? I've also joined NODAC Nations too because I'm a huge sports fan. UND's really welcomed everyone in with open arms, and it's just been a great week.
Great day for homecoming.
Our responsibilities are everything from running rehearsals to warming up the band to directing them into the stands and also
conducting shows like when we're up on the ladders during halftime and pregame.
Elijah's done an outstanding job this year. This is his first year doing it, and he has really taken to the role just like a professional, really. We have a lot of fun in the Pride, but then there's also a job that we have to do. Just flipping that switch, going from fun to work, they've done a great job, and the band's really responding this year.
Back to the top, no stops. Hustle up, Randy. Come on, Randy, let's go, Randy. Come on. I love the responsibility. It's a lot of work, 24 hours a day. You're always busy, and it doesn't really slow down a whole lot from that, but it's incredibly fun, and I really enjoy all of that work.
You are part of the action down here.
Hey UND, I'm Danny Wagle and I'm a sergeant with the UND Police Department here on campus. Now you know who runs all the Twitter and Facebook accounts for the UND Police Department. I kind of saw some of the law enforcement agencies throughout the US kind of picking up the social media, and it seemed to be working well for them. So that's what I approached Chief Plummer with and said, hey, we should really do this. It seems like it's working out well for them. Maybe we should give it a try, and he really just let me run with it. I know, I gotta think of something. I'm a jokester. I like to joke around, have fun, and so a lot of it is just maybe not the first thing that pops into my head, but maybe the second thing. And it really just took on an approach of we want to be able to have fun with this as well. And we realize that students, they don't want to hear just about the serious things every single day of the week. And a lot of it is just common sense, but also we try to throw in a little humor as well. You know, the ability to bring people together and the ability to have an impact on a lot of different people. And I think that's what it means to our department and to our university, that we're willing to try new things and explore new things and do our best to serve the community.
Welcome to the University of North Dakota's 2018 Spring Commencement Ceremony. We are pleased you are here to celebrate the academic achievements of our UND graduates receiving degrees. The other President Kennedy said, "For time and the world do not stand still. Change is the law of life. Those who focus on just the past or the present are certain to miss the future." UND Class of 2018, I encourage you to put your diploma at a very visible place in either your home or office. And every time you see its Lux et Lex, Remind yourself to continue learning, to keep yourself in a position to illuminate and define the future. Be the leaders in action you are destined to be. I'm confident you'll make us all UND proud.
I'm Hadley Purdy, and I'm from Elk River, Minnesota.
I'm from Bismarck, North Dakota. I'm originally from Balmoral, Manitoba.
I'm from Winston-Salem, North Carolina.
I'm from Barnesville, Minnesota.
Welcome to the University of North Dakota. When I came in as a freshman, I didn't really know what to expect coming into college.
I was super nervous, super awkward.
I was very excited and energetic.
It's definitely a change from high school. I think what challenged me the most through freshman year was just learning how to balance everything.
Nobody's going to tell you, Isaiah, you need to go get that done.
When you're in high school, everything is already set out for you, but here you set it out yourself and how you want to succeed.
UND allows for you to really pave your own way.
We have over 275 clubs and organizations you can join. I'm involved in Greek life here on campus. I'm also involved in student government.
I'm involved with the UND TV Center.
I'm the Residence Hall Senator for UND.
I also am on the soccer teams.
I'm also a part of the UND Mortar Board.
I think there's something for anybody and everybody that, wants to do anything.
People always say get involved, but it really has a deep sense of meaning once you are able to create those lifelong friendships.
I've met some very good friends up here that I didn't know I was going to meet before.
I think probably one of the best things about UND is the student body.
You can definitely feel yourself that you're at home and as a family because you are one campus.
Experiencing, life together in a close-knit community.
People always say you kind of know when you tour a campus that it's for you, and I definitely kind of got that feeling.
There may be a lot of students and numbers,
but it still has that small, close-knit community feel.
It seems like the university really is the center focus of the entire city.
Grand Forks has a lot of other nice things to offer.
There's like free movie nights, loads of places to eat, great sports to see. Definitely go to some UND games. Use the resources available at UND. There's so many.
The staff and faculty here are always there to help you.
And they definitely are the ones who can help you get your job through recommendations.
Get to know your advisor. They are tremendous.
Use tutoring, counseling, really anything you might possibly need.
Get to know your roommate.
They can end up becoming your best friend.
Going to class even. It's not as bad as it sounds.
It's up to you to really want to succeed.
Call your mom. They will miss you.
Work hard, but make sure to have fun too.
Take in every opportunity. Enjoy it while it's here.
If you make mistakes, learn from them, grow stronger from them, reflect on them.
That's what it's all about.
Before there were students.
Before there were buildings.
Before there was a North Dakota. There was nothing but a gritty attitude on a frozen prairie and a belief that this university will transform the futures of all who pass through. Determined, our founders built a tradition, brick by brick, program by program. Believing they could make something from nothing, believing education changes lives, believing they could make a difference, and they did. They built this university to educate our teachers, our doctors, our lawyers. And starting with nothing but a janitor's closet and 2 planes, they taught the world to fly.
Continually growing and adapting, keeping the vision alive, no matter what. When hard economic times threatened our very existence, we emptied our pocketbooks to save this university. When the Great Depression made life tough, we opened our homes to hungry students. When war spread across the world, we joined the fight for freedom. And when we faced uncharted waters, we came together to recover our grand cities. Because that's just what we do. That's who we are. When everyone counts us out, we persevere. Constantly questioning, pushing, learning, discovering new ways of thinking, and forging ahead in the pursuit of excellence.
Now it's time for the torch to be passed. The path to greatness lies before you, and you have to decide. Will you take it? Because this university is not for everyone. It's for the exceptional, the fearless explorers, the game changers, the trendsetters, and the difference makers. But you have to want it, seize the opportunities, break out from the ordinary, and be part of something bigger than yourself. This is your moment.
Do what you've never dared to dream.
And continue our exceptional legacy. The legacy that is the
University of North Dakota.